Matex, thank you. Ninang, thank you so much.
Piliin mo, yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas. Piliin mo,
Ano, naiyak ko. Miss Rina, thank you.
Taglay ng bawat
Ninang Siri, thank you so much po.
May lambing na
Ate Jo.
tuluyan sa buong pakiramdam. Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas, kapulong ang kwintas ng perla. Piliin mo
Lydia Jesam Iwal Ika Udong Mila Permatalay Tor Citaras Balangkas Adan Ikim Hariun Red Bapasan
Yo, grabe ang lalakas mo guys. Thank you so much po.
Garang Chris
kailan may di magpipili.
Thank you so much po. Yan sa ating MVP, J po. Sis Connie, thank you. Ano, grabe, naiyak talaga ako. J po ko, Sis Connie, Ate Jo. And Sir Brontis, thank you. Ate Mai, thank you.
Piliin mo
Sir RV, thank you. Mike, thank you.
Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas.
Sis Evie, thank you so much po. Miss Yami, thank you. Power, thank you so much. Miss Double Sided, thank you. Sis Gladys, Jel, Sisi, Boss Ron, thank you. Donna, thank you. Founder Chad, thank you. Meller, thank you so much, Kuya. Papa Jubes, thank you. Lowy, thank you so much. Tracy, Ninang Let's City, thank you. Ate Jani, Chrissy, thank you so much. Ate Chabi, thank you. Shay, thank you. Just ang dami nyo guys, thank you so much. Kagami Taiga, Don Pobri, Alpha Queen, thank you so much. Red, thank you. Kuya Poy, miss you. Miss Bound, thank you so much guys. Hindi ko makayo may isa-isa. Thank you so much everyone sa lahat po ng nag-support at pumunta. Thank you ng marami sa inyo guys. Grabe, hindi ko ano yun. Thank you so much po. At girl, Sisi, we have to finish the victory lap, okay?
Hoy do avian pakakalaw din
Thank you so much. Yon sa mga nagpa